Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kelly of KoreanON. 안녕하세요, 켈리입니다. Today we're gonna talk about how to say here, there, and over there in Korean. Let's take a look. So let's talk about the here first. Here is a noun which is location close to the speaker. Me speaker here. 여기. Here, 여기. It's here. 여기 있다. Or when you hand over something to others like that, you can say 여기 있어. Here we go. Here it is. If it's stuff or plural, here they are. Like 여기 있어. Or I came here yesterday. 어제 여기 왔어요. Or look here. 여기 봐봐. Look here. 여기 봐봐. Okay. Like that. 여기 봐. Look here. 여기 봐. Or if you say more polite way, 여기 보세요. So we add you, which means the sentence makes sentence more polite. 여기 보세요. Look here. Or here she comes. 여기 그녀가 와요. Here she comes. 여기 그녀가 이리 오네요. Here she comes. 여기 그녀가 와요. So here, 여기, it's here. 여기 있다. And 여기 있어. Here we go. Here we are. Here they are. 여기 있어. Or look here. 여기 봐. Look here. And here she comes. 그녀가 이리 오네요. Next, there. There we can say that 거기. There, 거기. So as a noun, we can say it's close to the listener. 거기. Close to the listener. So it's right there. 바로 거기 있어. Right. 바로 there. 거기. It's right there. 바로 거기. Are you there when you're on the phone? Are you there? 거기 있어요? Are you there? Or where is it? It's right there. 어디 있어? 바로 거기 있어. It's right there. Or 거기 means we can use this expression when talking about the place where the speaker and listener both know. For example, I want to go there again. Where? Oh, the place where we went for the last Christmas. The place where we went to last Christmas. 작년 크리스마스 때 갔던 곳. So I want to go there again. 나 거기 다시 가고 싶어. I wanna go there again. 거기 다시 가고 싶어. I wanna go there again. 거기 다시 가고 싶어. Or let's go there again. Let's go there. 거기 가자. Let's go there. 거기 가자. Let's go there. 거기 가자. So 거기 in expression near to the listener, it's right there. 거기 있네. It's right there. 거기 있네. Or I wanna go there again. 거기 다시 가고 싶어. Let's go there. 거기 가자. Okay? The third expression is over there. 저기. Over there is 저기. Look over there. 저기 봐. Look over there. 저기 봐. Look over there. 저기 봐. 저기 means the location where far from both speaker and listener. 저기. So look over there. 저기 봐봐. Or 저기 봐. Or look at the cloud over there. 저기 구름 봐. Look at the cloud over there. 저기 구름 봐. It's over there. 저기 있네. It's over there. 저기 있어요. This is a pretty common expression you might heard before when you watched K-drama or K-movie. Like 저기요. Some people might raise their hands, but I usually raise my hands when I call some attention. like 저기요, like that, which means 저기요. 저기요 means when you need some attention from others. For example, when you go to a restaurant, the restaurant looks very busy. So you have to call some attention from waiters, right? Then you can raise your hand, 저기요, and the waiter might see you and catch you, okay? In the case, 저기요, can I have some water? 저기요, can I have more 김치? 저기요, can I have more side dish like that? Or 저기요, you on the street, you lost. So you need to call some attention from stranger. So you can say, 저기요, do you know where bank is? 저기요, do you know where the station nearby here? Do you know where blah blah blah? So you can ask some directions. So you need to call the attention. Then you can say 저기요. So 저기요 over there is 저기요. Or you need 저기요. That is you need some attentions from others. Then you can say 저기요. Okay? Let's write together. So we learn here. 여기 pronunciation 여기 and there which is 거기 and pronunciation 거기. So let's talk about the here first. Here it's here. 여기요. Or it's here. Over here. It's here. 여기요. Or 여기 있어요. When you hand over something, here it is. 여기 있어요. I came here yesterday. 어제 여기 왔어요. Yesterday, 어제. Here, 여기. Came is like a past tense. 왔어요. So I came here yesterday. 어제 여기 왔어요. And look here. 여기 봐. Employed expression. 여기 보세요. 여기 보세요. 여기 봐. Look here. 여기 봐. Or 여기 보세요. And here she comes. 여기 그녀가 오네요. So there 거기. It's right there means 거기 바로 right 바로 있어요. It's right there. Mom, where's my phone? It's right there. 거기 있네. 거기 바로 있어요. It's right there. Or are you there? When you're on the phone with someone, are you there? 거기 있어요. Or we can use 거기, the place where the speaker and the listener knows. 거기. So, I wanna go there again. 거기 다시 가고 싶어요. So, again, 다시, there, 거기 다시 가고 싶어요. 거기 다시 가고 싶어요. Or let's go there. 거기 가자. Let's go. 가자. 어디? 거기 가자. The last expression we can say that over there. Over there. Which means 저기. The pronunciation 저기. Over there, 저기. As a noun, is we're far from the both speaker and the listener. Look at the cloud over there. Look at the cloud over there. 저기. Cloud, 구름. 봐. Look at, like an imperative expression. Look at the cloud over there. 저기 구름 봐. Or look over there. 저기 봐. or polite expression 저기 보세요. Next, it's over there. It's over there means over there 저기 있어요. It's over there 저기 있어요. Or we can say 저기요 when you need some quotations from the waiters or strangers. So like excuse me. 저기요, can I get some water? 저기요, can I order now? 저기요, where is a bank nearby? 저기요, can you tell me where the subway station is? So excuse me, polite way. We can say 저기요. So we learned 3 expressions here, 여기, there, 거기, over there, 저기. So here, 여기, it's here. 여기 있다, it's there. 거기 있다, it's there. 거기 있다, it's over there. 저기 있네, it's over there. 저기 있네. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm happy to reply or I'll consider them for the next chapter of my video. See you later. 다음에 만나요.